In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create callouts in Obsidian. Callouts are a simple way to make important information pop inside your notes. They're perfect for highlighting tips, warnings, reminders, or anything you want to stand out so you can scan your vault more efficiently. Start by opening the note where you want the callout to appear. Make sure your cursor is on a new empty line. To create a basic callout, type a greater than symbol, a space, then an opening bracket, an exclamation mark, the word note, and a closing bracket, just like this. Note. That small bit of syntax tells Obsidian to format what follows as a callout. Press Enter to move to a new line, and then type the content you want to include. This can be a short sentence, a full paragraph, or a quick reminder you don't want to miss. You can write normally. Obsidian will handle the styling. If you need more room to explain, keep typing below that first line. Callouts can contain multiple lines of text, and they'll all be grouped together visually, so the message is easy to spot later. You're not limited to the note type. If the message is more of a suggestion, change note to tip. If it's something critical that needs attention, use warning. For general context or explanations, info works well, and for citations or references, quote is a good choice. Just replace the word inside the brackets to switch the style. Choosing the right type helps you quickly recognize the purpose of the callout when you're skimming a page. As you add more lines under the callout, you can include links, checklists, or formatting you'd use in regular text. Everything you write beneath that initial line will stay inside the same callout block until you insert a blank line to continue your normal note. When you're done, switch to preview mode to see the final styled design. In preview, callouts show up with icons, borders, and background colors that make them easy to distinguish from the rest of your text. If you're using live preview, you'll notice the styling appear as you type, but switching to preview is a great way to confirm everything looks the way you expect. Finally, use callouts throughout your vault to emphasize what matters most. Reserve warning for truly urgent items. Use tip for helpful reminders, and keep note for general highlights. A consistent approach makes your notes clearer, easier to scan, and far more useful when you return to them later.